So I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to identify and how to correct lens fungus. So in this lens, which is a 35 millimeter lens, the fungus presents looking like this. And honestly, this is more along the lines of the typical fungus that I see in lenses. It's generally like this spider web looking stuff. There's usually a center spot where it branches out from. Sometimes it's on the edge. Tools now that are handy to have when you're doing this. First and foremost, I would recommend a lens removal tool of some kind. Whether it is the rubber rings or a lens spanner of some kind. Just a small suction cup used to pull lenses out. And then you're going to want some cleaning solutions. Peroxide and ammonia. I have a little bit of denatured alcohol here. Some cotton swabs. Rags. Probably not a bad idea to wear gloves. But, you know, I don't know. They just get in the way for me. So the first step is disassembly. Generally speaking, with any lens, there's going to be a ring that's retaining the front element in place. Okay, so in this particular lens, the engagement point is here, and then should be exactly 180 degrees from this point will be another one of these. So one here, and one over there. These points are what we'll use this tool to grab. I'm going to use these rubber rings as kind of a stand. And now that my tool is adjusted to the correct size, I'll put it in here and hold the lens and rotate gently. There. It is now loose, and usually once you get it loose, you can just come in here with your hand and rotate it out. You can find the correct rubber ring and rotate it out like that. Alright. So what I do see are 3 flathead screws. They do look as if they're holding something in place. It's hard to tell if this plate and this ring are all together. I'm going to remove those 3 screws and try to gain access to the front element. That is what it was attached to. So that comes out. Set that to the side. I'm going to have to grab this and try and rotate that out. And there we have our front lens element. And here we go. There you can get a kind of better look at the fungus and what it looks like, right? Spider webby. Now the trick is to clean that off, right? And what are we going to use? Well, a couple different things that work. We're going to try a 50-50 mixture of ammonia and peroxide. These have come in extremely handy. It was just a pack on Amazon of multiple tips and syringes, all kinds of fun stuff. With the solution applied, Q-tip, and just very gently agitate. Not applying any pressure to the Q-tip onto the glass. You don't ever really want to try and scrub the fungus off. The idea is just kind of agitate it and get it to rub off. We'll come in with a lint free. Be a little more aggressive now. Yeah, it's quite impressive how well that works. That thing is like spotless on the inside there, huh? And now it is time to reassemble. It's ready to go back on the camera and shoot.